All right, I'm going to do a quick video of these not Harbor Freight. Well, I guess Harbor Freight would almost be the same. Rual King shop lights. Let's see if I can find a model real quick. If anything, I'll get you there we go. SKU number right there of these lights. Now, I got the old style lights that have the bulbs in them. As you can see, there's a bunch of them up here. There's 8. And I didn't want to have a wire running to each one and then a wire running down to plug it in. So, if you look at the instructions, okay, here's the instructions. They're really simple. You got 2 eye hooks that you screw in to the ceiling, and then you got your chain, so that way you got your eye hook, a chain, and then the light can just kind of hang. All right. Now, it says, do not alter the plug or power supply cord in any way. So, what I'm about to show you, it says don't do. This is what I did. It's your call, but I'm not a real electrician. I'm not even an electrician, so hell, I'm just a homebody guy. All right, here's your chain. It's really long, probably 18 inches. I don't know, way too long for what I need. I'm gonna go over here. Actually, I'm gonna show you first. So you got your standard power cable. I cut it, which is why you shouldn't. It's your call. The middle one's your ground. If you look how it's laid out, there's 3 wires. They're always going to put the negative and positive farthest away. So your middle's the ground. That, and you can tell by the little green wrap. All right. So now, it's kind of nice because I actually got these lights on 2 different switches. So like this one, I think this one is on a different light switch. And then this one and this one, that one, and the one up there is on a different light switch. So I can just easily hit the light switches. But, get to my point here in a second. Climb up my ladder. Excuse the mess in the garage. I got a couple projects going on. Now, yeah, the hooks are a little janky. But I just made them as short as I possibly could and went into the original screw holes. There's your outlet. Yeah, I could plug one in and just kind of daisy chain them all together. I think you can do 5 together. But there's my janky wire. I'm going to take one more step up this ladder and bang my head on the ceiling. All right. This is why they don't recommend it. You got your positive and negative. Then you got your ground. And I did electrical tape them all up. And then you notice this one's way over here and this one's way over here. It's not touching the ceiling. There's plenty of room. You got to keep them separate, guys. If you put them together, it can cause a fire if they can actually touch. Okay, there's my original wire coming out. And it's kind of nice. So if I just want the front end lit up of the garage, or if I just want the back end, either to be electricity friendly, or if I'm taking pictures in my little picture studio there. But you can just turn it on. I'll climb down so you can see. All right. Well, I'm going to turn it sideways. Hopefully I don't screw you up too much. This and this, so much difference in brightness, okay? I was actually really impressed, and I love the white light. I'm going to show you the old one. I don't know if I actually show you the wattage. There's your ballast. I'm kind of curious now that I'm actually bringing it up. There we go. 40 watt, cool white. So, I was running 2 of these in a unit, which is 80 watt per thing, and I think this one is 50. They say don't put a dimmer on it, but I would imagine you could if you really want to. But 30 watts less, and it's brighter, and I like a white light, especially when you're working on cars. Just makes it kind of nice. Think there's anything else? But yeah, so I took the chain and just kind of used both of the little hooks. Okay, you get a hook like that. That goes into the fixture. There's a hole there. Goes in and up. What I would do is go ahead and close all the hooks. So if they get bumped, your light's not going to fall unless somehow all that comes out of the ceiling. Sorry if I'm shaking, I'm a little cold. But yeah, hopefully this helps.